Okay, you're welcome back to my channel. It is my pleasure to welcome you all back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to print more money with time scale. So, what is meant by time scale? Time scale simply means how to understand the way you spend your time and how to effectively print more money by using your time the right way. And that is exactly what I'm going to be covering in this video. So if you are just watching this video for the first time, make sure you smash the subscribe button, click on the bell notification so that whenever I create a valuable and informative video like this, you are going to be notified. And don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to put your comments. To if you have anything in mind that you want to say, just put it in the comment section. So and I'm going to be working on it and do everything possible to make sure and make this channel to be more valuable so that we can be able to uplift ourselves and give ourselves more information that can help us to enjoy time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom. So without wasting much of our time, without further ado, let's quickly dive into the video. So today I'm going to be talking about how to effectively make more money using your time the right way. So if you focus on this particular skill, you implement it, you watch this video from beginning to the end without skipping, and you implement what I'm going to be telling you today. It is capable of helping you to print more money even while you are sleeping. It will help you to make more money. It will help you to enjoy life to the fullest, and it's going to really help you to have control. It's going to help you to have control over your time, over your life, over your business, over everything that you might think of. So quickly, let me quickly go into how to quickly monetize your time, how to understand your time, how to manage your time, and how to use it to your best advantage. So, and the number one strategy is change your time mix. So, this is basically where a lot of people are getting it wrong. A lot of people they make the mistake of saying that I don't have time, I don't have time, I don't have time. When you don't understand your mindset about time scale, so you always think that you don't have time. Even if they introduce a money making opportunity to you, you'll be thinking that you are already overwhelmed with a lot of schedules, routines, and so many other things like that. So that is, you don't know that there are something that are stealing away your time, and one of them is your mindset. Your mindset. You always believe that you don't have time, and don't forget the fact that we all have 24 hours. These 24 hours, it doesn't matter whether you are a billionaire, you are a multi-millionaire, or you are just an ordinary person with $1,000 in your bank account or less. The most important thing is how you utilize that time, how best you utilize that time. And when you focus on the myth that I don't have time, what actually happen automatically is that you will end up not having enough time to do what is most important to your life. And now I want to clear the myth for you now. So when you discover that you always have the mindset of not having enough time, this is what you need to do to correct yourself. And I want you to understand the fact that you always have time. The only problem you have is that you don't know how to prioritize what is most important. You don't know how to prioritize. You don't know how to give what you are doing within that period of time what we call scale of preference. Doing what is much more important than what is less important. So you need to focus on you need to cut out time, some things that are time wasting activities. You need to cut it out. And that's the first thing to do. If there are some activities you are doing that are not giving you value, that doesn't give you any profit in your business, you need to cut out those time wasting activities. And you now prioritize profitable activities, you give it more time. By doing so, you will discover that you have much more enough time to focus on your business, to focus on your life, and even to enjoy leisure, to enjoy your time, to enjoy your life. But when you don't know, when you are giving uh, enough time to what is not valuable to your life, to your business, you end up having less time to what is important to your life. Just imagine, instead of you to go into some daily profitable activity that you're supposed to do, you now end up sitting with some friends, chatting, joking, and doing a lot of unnecessary things. Though I don't say social interaction is not good. There is time for everything. You need to have a separate time for your social interaction, for your social life. Not when you support, not on your daily working hours. If you don't prioritize what you do during your working hours, and you now mingle the social interaction with your actual real working hour, there will be problem. You end up saying that you don't have time, you don't have time. So during your working time, you need to have a daily routine that, okay, at a specific period of time, I'll get to work on some things that will benefit my business, my life. And during that period, you don't do any other thing than to ensure you focus on what you intend to do that will help you to make more money, make more sales, or achieve your goal. So, and the best way to go about is that during that time, cut out any distractions. You need to cut out, you need to eliminate any distraction at that time and prioritize your routine, your activities, basically on what you intend to do. That's the best thing you need to do. You want to write some commercial articles that will help you to promote your product. As at that time, you write it. If you want to create video to promote your product, to promote your services, you create it at that time. If you want to go on prospecting, that is exactly what you should do at that time, whether phone or physical. That's what you do as at that time. So everything you wanted to do, you should allocate time. And at that specific time that you have allocated to is particular activity, you should not be doing any other thing except what you have planned to do. So the moment you see yourself doing all those things, you will discover, you will even experience tremendous improvement in your life, in your business, and everything. So let's quickly move on to the next step, which is to monitor and track your day. You need to monitor and track your day. So, my best advice on this particular secret is that try to have a clean journal that shows your daily routines. Yes, from the moment you wake up, this is going to really help you to have a more productive day. Because by the time you focus on, by the time you analyze some of the time you wasted on baseless activities, on baseless discussion, on baseless social media browsing. Some people, they can spend 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hours on a Facebook group that doesn't have anything to do with your business, with your life, that doesn't even benefit you. You can imagine. So just go there and you begin. Some people can even read comments on a Facebook group for 1 hour. Read series of comments, 1 hour, 2 hours. So you watch YouTube, you watch movie, the time when you are not supposed to watch them. You go on chatting on social media when you are not supposed to do so. So if you don't examine your daily routine, if you don't have a journal and see how your day went through, definitely you won't understand. You just keep telling people that you don't always have time. But to be sincere with yourself, you discover that you have time. Just that you don't know how to use your time. You don't know how to utilize your time. So, but by having a journal that will help you to track your day, that will help you to track your activities. So, by doing so, you will end up getting a focused you end up getting a focused analysis of your day. You end up having a focused analysis of your day and the activities that you do on that day. So you can have basic analysis on what you do on your gym activity, on social media, on your working activities, cleaning, cooking, sleeping, home chores, and so on. So this is the best. Okay, I want to go and spend 1 hour at the gym. I want to spend 30 minutes on cooking. I want to spend even on movies, everything you do, have a specific time. I don't want to spend more than 30 minutes on this. I don't want to spend more than 1 hour on this. I don't want to spend more than 2 hours on this. That's how to keep a clean journal that shows your daily routines. You have a focus on profitable activities and also on some other extracurricular activities too. So by doing so, by monitoring and tracking your day through a written journal, it will give you the overview of how you prioritize and how important your time is to your life, because our time is used to monitor our lifespan. So if you don't spend your time very well, it means you are wasting your life. And that is why it is important to focus on how you spend your day and keep a track, keep a journal, write everything down. It is very, very important. So the next but not the least is to master the act of leverage. You need to get more done. You need to work smart rather than working harder. You're not a jackie. Yes. You're not a foreman. You can't do the work of four people. You need to outsource a lot of things that can save your time. You need to save time and by using leverage. So don't focus on the fact that I can do everything. Graphic design, you will do it. Article writing, you will do it. Web design, you can do it. Customer relationship, you can do it. It's not possible. Great people that you have ever seen or had, they have a team. They have a team of experts. They work with the team of experts. Yes, they have a video expert, they have a graphic design expert, they have a web design expert, they have customer relationship. There are a lot of professionals in their team, and that is what will help you to to use leverage, and that's what will help you to grow your empire, to grow your company, your business. So don't only focus on only you want to do everything. It's not possible. It's not done that way. Except if you don't have the capital or you don't have the budget when you are getting started. You can be trying to learn and be doing and applying everything on your own. But the moment you begin to make money in your business, don't forget to outsource. Outsource anything that you know can help you to grow your business, that can help you to improve the quality of what you are doing. Outsource it. Yes, outsource it. So that's the best way to leverage. Use other people's skills, talent, time, and expertise to grow your own business, your own company, and to make more money. When you outsource it, you spend you spend less money, but you will achieve more time, because the time you want to use to spend on Even so, there's done some domestic works that you can even outsource. Cooking, laundry, lawn mowing, you can outsource it. Yes, and the time you spend on those things, you can spend it on your business. Anything that cannot give you much, this is the equation of how to use your time the right way. Anything you spend your time on that gives you less income, that gives you less joy, you outsource it. Like running errands now, you outsource it. Running errands, maybe if you are into e-commerce business, you want to do shipping, you outsource that to logistic company. Only you cannot do everything. Yes, you outsource so many things in life that you know that yes, it's going to give you more time to focus on what is more important, to focus on what will give you more income. Yes, anything that is not that important, that is less important, or that can consume more of your time and give you less income, you outsource it. That's the question. That is the equation to success. And doing this can help you to achieve a lot in life. It can help you to grow. It can help you to it can help your business to skyrocket. It can give you the opportunity to enjoy time freedom, financial freedom, and location freedom. Because you don't want to spend money, you begin to do everything and tell yourself you quickly burn out. Yes, it can lead to quick burnout. It can lead to quick aging. When you focus on doing everything, you do your web design, you do your graphic design, you do your cleaning, you do your cooking, you do more line, you open your gate by yourself, you drive for yourself by yourself, you do your article writing, you do prospecting by yourself. Nobody is in your team. You don't have anybody in your team. It is only you that is focusing and doing everything. And there's something I want you to understand. If you if you have the mind of I want to do everything by myself to save cost, you are losing quality, because there is no how you can be professional in all those areas. It's not possible. That's why we normally have area of specialization. Yes, that's how we have outsource some of those menial jobs to professionals. Even there are some big jobs that you can outsource to professionals because they can do it more better than you can do it. You yourself, you have your own area of expertise. Focus on your strengths and forget about your area of weaknesses. Those area of something that you know that you cannot do more better, outsource it to the people that can do it more better and focus on what you can do more better. And that is the best way to grow. That is the best way to success. And if you examine the successful people in life, that is their secrets. They don't rely on doing everything by themselves. They have a very big team. They have a lot of professionals. They have a lot of experts that handle their daily businesses, their technical issues in their businesses. They have people that handle them for them, and that is what makes them to become successful. So, if you want to become successful in life, don't forget to outsource. If you want to become successful in life, in your business, in anything that you are doing, don't forget to outsource. So, if you have enjoyed this video, click on the subscribe button, smash the bell notification so that anytime I create a very valuable and informative video like this, you are going to be notified. Thank you so much for listening to this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.